In this video I will show you how to make your Instagram business account private. It works on any Android and on any iOS device. So obviously you want to go on Instagram. And from here you want to click on the three lines at the top right corner. Go over to Settings. You want to click on Privacy. And if you're like to make account private, you can switch it on. But look at that, business accounts can't be private. So to do this you need to switch business account to personal. Go on your account and switch account type. Switch to personal. Go to privacy again. Turn on private account. Now this account is private.